Noam here with your interesting facts for January 9th, so let us gnome our way through history, slipping into the corners where knowledge hides and legends wait to be found. Today on January 9th, 1493, Columbus wrote in his log that he saw 3 mermaids near what is now the Dominican Republic. He described them as not as half as beautiful as they were depicted in paintings, but because they were in reality manatees, West India manatees. Most people know that the general myth that sailors mistook manatees for mermaids. Now in Michigan history on January 9th, 1911, the first Chevy automobile rolled off the line in Detroit, marking the beginning of one of Michigan's most iconic automobile legacies. Also, unique fact on January 9th, 1862, Michigan rolled out one of its wildest Civil War artillery units, Battery F. They started with pride. Coldwater boys, Detroit boys, all thinking they were about to make history. And they did. Not in the way they were expected to, but they did at the Battle of Richmond. Their infantry support collapsed, Battery F was cut off, surrounded, and their guns were captured. Losing your guns was the ultimate humiliation for an artillery unit. But they didn't quit. They rebuilt, they fought again, and by the time they reached Nashville, they were a different kind of unit. Hardened, angry, and absolutely relentless. January 9th, Mermaid Chevys and Michigan Artillery Unit that refused to stay out of the fight and refused to die. And remember, from the middle of the Michigan to the edge of the Great Lakes, where the gnome calls home, we'll catch you later.